Hi Shirley. So I'm here on the old site, and if you just notice this gallery category section down here, it's really, really long, and it's going to keep on getting longer if I just do the same thing. And so I kind of ran into a problem with it, and I basically changed or proposed way of changing it here. I can change it if you don't like it, but what I'm doing is we've got the year category 2012, 2013, 2014. That I've got a kind of a by year thing here. See, galleries by year. And when I'm in one of those galleries, when I'm in one of those years, then this would be styled a bit better. But the sub galleries appear. So you've got 1, 2, 3 sub galleries here. And so basically it's like, I don't see all these until I click on 2012. The result of that then is that what's good about that is that these numbers here, 16, 17, 18, they will appear automatically here. So, if you look at what I was saying originally, I was saying, step 1, get your images ready. Step 2 was, put the stuff into the Invera gallery. And step 3 was, sort of categorize the stuff here for all the worlds in the gallery section. And then the last step was to make a menu item. But because of the fact that this section here, they appear automatically, this is like a menu, but you don't have to add the numbers to it. You see, if you just do those 2 steps, like obviously you have to create the images anyway, but if you just create the Invera gallery and categorize it here under the correct, whichever year, and make new years each year, then these numbers will, like as soon as you create 2019, it'll appear here, and as soon as you create galleries in it, then when I click on 2019 and we get to 90, you'll see to 2019, you'll see the sub galleries for 2019 here appearing here. So, and all that happens automatically. So it's a bit easier. Now you still have the option of doing these guys here. But you don't really need to, because, when you go into the gallery, link in here, so suppose you're at the home page or something, and the person clicks gallery, they're now going to have this list of categories here no matter what. Now I put in these here to fill up the space, and they're a little bit trickier to put in than the drop downs here, but basically you only really need to do the gallery and categorization. I'll show you that in a minute, but you don't really have to do these, and these guys are optional, so it's up to you if you want to do those. All you really need to do, to get back to what I was saying, is that when you go into the back end, all you have to do is make the Invera gallery in the first place, and then number 2 is properly set it up in this system, which is basically like you've been doing. I put them, I made them children of the proper years. You can reorganize these if you want, but so basically just make your Invera gallery, make it a child of the proper year, and that's it. You don't have to do anything about this or the sub galleries. They all take care of one another of themselves, but you can optionally go into appearance menus and add these guys, these things, or really, you can find out how to do these things off me, or Kate could probably just look at them and do them, or show you how to do them. They're not that hard. So hopefully that's okay. Like I said, I can change this system quite a bit. It's not finished anyway. The styling's not done yet, but I can change it around if you want me to change anything. Again, basically, if you're on your home page, then you're going to go to the gallery, and you'll see whatever year you want here. Press the year, and up come the subcategories, the subgalleries. That's kind of the system. But if you want me to change any part of it, or if you don't understand some part of it, just get in touch and let me know, and I'll sort it out. Right.